A few cents about your visit to Berlin.
Oh, well, I would have thought.
On the occasion of your departure, sir, will you speak a few words for Fox Movies?
Well, I'm very glad to recognize the splendid enthusiasm of the people. We've had a very good visit to Berlin, and I hope it will be useful for the peace of Europe.
Thank you very much, sir.
I brought a windy morning. First thing is to get the report of the banking experts.
Yes.
Who are there now.
When are you expecting?
Oh, that I can't say. Very soon.
Very soon.
Very soon. There's no time being wasted. They're working at it now. We had a very good trip. Goodbye, and thanks very much for another good run.